Okay, we're back on the 1950 Chevrolet truck IFS. We got everything assembled as far as the control arms, springs, and shocks. Trying to put the rack and pinion, just get it in place, but I can see that I'm gonna have to do some more cutting. This is looks like a, just like it's just an oversized wash. It's a spacer, and what it needs to do, it needs to set the rack. It goes between the rack and the cross member, and it has to set it back off. I have it in on this side right there, you can see it. And so it has to set the actual rack back up off of the control arm. Otherwise it was touching, and you can see it's off center. As far as my C notch that I cut, it's off center. So I mean, it's not too bad off center. The angle of the camera is making it look worse, but it is off center with that spacer in it. So I'm gonna have to do some more cutting and clearancing. That must have been like an afterthought when they designed this system. They must have got some interference and they had to use a spacer. But either way, that spacer is causing this pressure line to hit the frame. So I have to clearance it there. I have to do some clearancing here. Take a plasma cutter, cut it out like that, and go around. And same to the other side to get the bolt in. You can see it's coming together nicely, and I'm almost done. Had to do some clearancing for the parts that I showed you earlier, but it worked out good. Follow me to the next video, like and subscribe. Thank you.